here. And today we're going to Surabaya because Iqbal is graduating. Me, Atana, and Lyfe is going to get there. I'm going to head to Atana first at 9, so yeah, I'm still in preparation right now. I think this vlog is just going to be like one day in Surabaya, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I'll catch you later when I have a story to tell you. This is Alifah. We're at Windsor right now, yes. For the graduation of Iqbal. Kamu mencari apa? Hah? Lulus? Berapa tahun?
Gak sampai 4 tahun, tapi 4 tahun hitungannya.
3,5 lah ya, ya lumayan lah ya, wah.
Sampai 3,5 lebih lah, 4 tahun lah.
Dia udah lulus guys. So I'm reading the vegetarian by Hangkang right now in a cafe, IMHO Coffee in Surabaya, and it's kind of concerning about our main character here. I'm still on the second chapter of the book, and it's kind of scary. This young suddenly turns into smut, and I have no bravery to read it again. I'm still going to complete it though, but I'm not sure it's going to be now. So after this, I'm going to go to the city square to see how it goes and wait until night, I think, before I go back home. and tomorrow we are going back to Malang. So yeah, I think I'll catch you in the city square. So yeah, I'll catch you later. And I'm waiting Iqbal here.
Baby, when I look in your eyes, I can see you as a child. The river gives us every good thing, and then it takes it all away. Don't take me away from you. Don't take me away from you.
Sepang riwayat hidupnya yang panjang.
I feel like I knew you then, when I was a little boy. I spent my days imagining the shape it would all take, and now it takes the shape of you. Everything takes the shape of you.
So we're inside. I think I was looking for the charger.
If I could lose them, could you be different? Could I let the river take me? Will you take everything that I have? I'd give it all up to you and him. She watches me close from the stars, and she whispers your name in my heart. And the garden we'll build for ourselves, and the kids that will grow where we plant, and the truth that we'll find when we lose, and the nothing I want without you.
Ada sing wow ngono lho aku iki. Aku pengin es. Apa ya tapi panas larang. Enak dulu.
Percuma sih nggak ada autofocusnya, tapi ya udahlah. Hello everyone, so we are at Kota Tua, or literally translated into Old City, here in Surabaya, and now we are just walking around and see what we can find. And I've changed my clothes. So it is raining hard right now. I'm not sure we can go any further. And I think I'm going to catch you in another video if we have another story or we are going to another adventure.